Hi, welcome to my kitchen. As I promised in my last video about the fulkas, here is another way of making chapati. We call it poli in Marathi. We will need spatula, a rolling pin, flour and little bit of oil. So in Maharashtra in India, everybody makes chapatis, rotis in some or the other form, and I have seen these being made for years and years, and I definitely thought that it will be worth sharing this with you all. Unlike fulka, here we're going to add a little bit extra dough than the fulka, so maybe 2.5 tablespoons. I'm going to make about 4 chapati balls for us to make chapatis out of. So we'll apply the flour first, and then we'll start rolling the chapati, but we are not going to roll it out all the way, just probably halfway, and then apply a little bit of oil and also sprinkle a bit of flour. Fold it and do the same thing for another fold. So it will be like a triangle, and we are going to roll it out now. So initially I never had this in a round shape. But practice will get you there. So definitely same pressure, same thickness for chapati. And my pan is ready. On it goes. I'm going to roll out another chapati. Halfway, then add a little bit of oil and flour. Fold it and bit of oil again. And while we are doing that, we're also going to have to keep an eye on our chapati. This is a more lenient way of making chapati. You don't have to worry about which side is getting roasted first. We have to ultimately just get both the sides nicely done, edges and everything. See how many layers you get in this chapati. This is a really unique way of making it. So same thing again, apply a little bit of oil and flour. Roll it out again. Just for the sake of the process, I'm showing 3 to 4 chapatis, just so you know. Oil and flour every time before the fold. And we're going to roll it out. Keep an eye on your chapati. There. So about the same time as it takes for fulka, maybe a bit longer, because we have that extra step of folding the chapati and applying oil and a little bit of flour. And this is also another very important step. After the chapati is off the pan, we just have to crush it just a little bit so that the steam will come off of it and it won't get soggy. Here is another way of folding. Just roll out a smaller circle and then pinch right in the center, and this is easier to keep the round shape maintained. There, that's the third one. Okay, it's almost ready. I tried it. It worked. Okay, getting the steam out again. Lot of layers on our chapati. I have about 4 ready. Now here's another unique idea. I totally love it. When we used to make chapatis, we would fold it and place those halves in a very certain peculiar way, always. So we would never stack the chapatis. We would fold it in half and then have like 4s and then place it in a certain way which looked really cool, and whoever really wanted to pick one, they could just grab one whole chapati. I'm showing you this process one more time. So just apply a bit of oil to the chapati, fold it, and just place it in this beautiful way. We always used to have the metal containers, or we still have the metal containers that hold these 15-20 chapatis really well. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video and you're going to try it out. Let me know how it comes out for you, and I will meet you in my next video with some other chapati fun recipes. Very unique and very easy to make. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy.